Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly analysis and prediction for US 30 and US 100. What a wonderful week it was as I expected for US 100. Specifically, I told that 16750 if you recall my last week's analysis, and don't forget to see the thumbnail title of the last week's analysis. I had shared that are we on the verge of crash? And that is what has exactly had happened. The markets have seen a little drop towards the end of the week. Now, I had given the range 16,750, that is the high end around 16,300 to 200 I had expected, but it has gone well below towards 16,000 levels. That is what we had seen on US 100 and US 30. I told that 35,500 is the level below which I will be extremely bearish, and we have seen a good drop below that levels. Now, what lies ahead for the week? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with my latest analysis, the weekly videos and daily analysis for major global markets I provide. That is US 30, US 100, UK 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver as well. So all these videos are getting uploaded. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. We'll start with US 100 first. I'll give you at the end of every analysis, I'll give you the levels to watch out for and the levels to take position for. And for US 30, it will be followed with US 100. Now let's start the analysis with US 100 first. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts first, as the month is going to get and in next two trading sessions we are left with and if you look at this, probably on the monthly charts we have seen this bullish rally. It has seen the high, it has formed this channel. Now specifically, if you talk about such candle, if you it ends in this formation, this is an indication of a reversal in the markets after bullish trend. If you find this channel, if you find this candle, and also you should not forget why this candle is of indication that it is a reversal from here, because you can see the rejection of price at the higher levels, and hence now if it drops below 15,800, and specifically I will talk about 15,700. If it drops well below, we can find that you can expect a stronger drop towards 15,500, which might provide a support and then can go well below. So if you talk about the next couple of trading sessions, we might see trading between 15,800 to 16,000 levels itself, or if it drops below 15,800, probably we might be looking at a stronger drop than towards 15,500. So this is what it appears on monthly chart, and from there, if 15,700, if you see it breaking anytime, definitely you can remain short and we can expect it to head back towards 14,700 levels. Somewhere here it might hit in the month of December. I am telling, not for the month or not for the week, but for the entire month, because this is the monthly candle. We can expect it to head back towards 14,700 and below levels also for the month of December. Now this is just on the weekly monthly charts, because the month is getting close. We have seen this candle. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, we can find that higher highs, lower lows, with the pivot at around 16,400, and from there we can find that it has almost seen a good drop, and if it breaks 15,900, or rather 15,850 levels, if it breaks 15,850 levels probably this week, then we can expect it to drop sharply towards 15,000. First target at around 15,650, and then next target at around 15,400 levels. So almost if it breaks 15,850 this time, you can expect it to you can go short, you can expect it to head back towards 15,650 and then 15,450 levels also. So we have got one level to watch out for on the weekly charts. And if you look at the daily charts now, look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can find that, see, drop, couple of red candles, retracement, and a good drop. Now I think that this will be followed with a second red candle, where we might see this is seen a beating till almost 400 points. So next red candle might take it towards almost 300 points, where we can expect 15,800 at least, and then from there a little retracement can happen towards again 16,000 and followed with a drop. This is what can be expected. So Monday we can see a good break towards 15,800. Next day, Tuesday, we can see the second and the last trading session for the month and second trading session for the week. We might see it retracing towards 16,000, and from there we will be looking forward to a drop in the month of December. The new candle starts, and we will be looking forward to somewhere here the next support level, as I shared, 15850. If it breaks, and we can expect it to head back towards 15,400 and 15,650 levels somewhere here. So probably we are going to look forward to a bearish week. And now let's have a look at the indicators here. So looking at the indicators, if you see, it is trading well below, the US 100 is trading well below the 20 and 50-day moving average, 20-day moving average specifically, but not well below the 50 and 100-day moving average, where you will find that markets or US 100 is specifically are not into extreme sell zone. But yes, if it breaks below 15400, it will indicate that yes, it has entered into a bear grip, and we can expect extreme drop in US 100. At the same time, we should not forget that the stochastic is still nearing oversold position, but at comfortable levels, and we should not forget that it can sustain oversold position for little long, as it has sustained overbought position as well. And hence from here, if it drops 15800, then 15500, it can continue, and from there it might see little retracement and then drop. That is what the pattern we can expect, as it is a cyclical nature. We can expect a pattern to continue. And if you look at the MACD, lines are well divergent. If you look at the slope of this lines, you can see that the red line curving at the same time, these are diverging apart, and hence a drop till towards 15800 on the first trading session can be expected, and from there we can look forward to a good rise, not good rise but a little retracement, and then followed with a drop. So look at the RSI. The RSI levels are comfortable here but are looking downwards, and hence probably 15800, 800 can be expected, then 15650 can also be expected. But look at the RSI. The RSI hitting here bottom, rising, overbought. So here also hitting at the bottom, rising. We have seen multiple incidences when RSI is hit at the bottom, and we have seen Nasdaq rising strongly. See here, hit at the bottom, rising. But we have not seen the similar phenomena when it was overbought, and it can sustain overbought positions. But if it sustains this time oversold position for little long, we can expect that it is entering into a bear zone or a sell zone. So right now, the levels to watch out for. Now let me jump directly towards the level to watch out for this week. And considering this, so we are at 16013. If it breaks 15970, you can remain short for 15850. After 15850, I will expect 15660 levels, and below that we can expect 15500 to provide a little support, and 15400 to provide a little support. Below that, for in coming days and coming weeks, see, these are the levels below 15660 and 15850. These are the levels below which you can definitely remain short, specifically 15660. If it breaks 15660 in the month of December, in the coming days, you can remain short on Nasdaq 100 for the entire month. You can keep it as a position, mark my words, and you can expect a stronger drop towards 15,000 levels, and in fact can go till towards 14,600 also. So yes, well below that is also expected and can be done. 14,000 could be the next target. So this is for the month of December. I am telling the complete month. But when you talk about the week, we can expect it to head till towards 15,660, and in fact can go till towards 15,500 and 400 levels. So these are the levels which we will be looking forward to this week. And probably if it breaks below 15,970 and specifically 15,850, you can remain short for the week itself. So till the time it remains above 5970 and you don't see a bounce back, in fact from 15850 levels, you can remain, you can go long only after, see, any long for the week, any positional long for the week is only recommended after 16400. So if you think that not to take, so daily analysis, my daily videos will definitely help. But a positional position, if you have to take a long position, or the 16400 level is to watch out for. Any break beyond 16400 is only an indication that markets are still bullish, and you can expect higher highs towards 16800. I don't think so that this will happen. I will expect at max, if it rises from here, 16. So if it rises on the next day, that is the first trading session, we can expect 16,180 to be the next resistance level. Beyond 16,180 is only a buy, a little buy for 16,300. And yes, don't trade till 16,180. Don't try to remain positional till 16,180. You can scalp, you can do swing, but don't take a position till 16,180 and remain long, as I expect it to continue drop towards 15,850 first support and breach it and head towards 15,660 and 500 and 400 levels. Also, we might see a good drop. That is what is expected. And I expect this drop to sustain a little long, and hence close to 15,500 can be expected this week itself. So go short below 15,970, and specifically strong short is suggested below 15,850 levels. So now let's move towards US 30. So see how beautifully we predict the levels, and see these are markets. Never try to take a position with a bias that I am thinking that it is going to drop. See, markets doesn't bother what you think. Markets are markets. Trade with the levels and profit from that. You enter into a particular position with a particular level, put a stop loss. Whenever you see your position in green, put a stop loss at the entry price. Let it get close. Nobody, see, it will always, come down to your position 10 times, but you can always reopen the position if you are very convinced. At the same time, you are not losing anything, but still you are firm that my direction. So next time whenever it breaks, it will take a definite decisive direction towards downside or upside, wherever whichever levels you are taking a positions. So don't trade with a bias that I think that it is bearish. It will definitely break. Market will break your position, but it will not break, or market will continue to rise. So now let's look at US 30. Also, if you want to learn the strategies and tactics, you can join my 15-day trading session, and definitely it will help you become an independent and professional trader. Reach out to me via Telegram or via email. The links are mentioned in the description. The email ID is also mentioned in the video and channel description also. So join the Telegram channel. It will definitely help in getting the more updates and latest strategies and latest updates on the markets. So join the Telegram channel. And now let's have a look at US 30. US 30, if you look at the daily charts, we can see that there is a reversal here. After this, let me give you a close-up look. If you look at the close-up here, you can find that drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and second consecutive candle after the drop. So probable, if it retraces from this level at 34,500, we can again expect it to hit 35,200, 300 levels, and in fact can go till 35,500. From there we might be looking at a drop, but possibly we might be looking at a further red candle, maybe a stronger candle, which might take it towards 33,800 levels. So in US 30, I'll be looking forward to a good drop, possibly in the next 2 days itself, where we'll be looking at 33,800 levels is my expectation, and from there we will decide. The month of December will decide which direction it is going to take. Now, why I'm saying so, we are going to look with the help of the weekly and monthly charts. Now first have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, we can find that, see, this is the third consecutive candle, and if we have to remain we have to confirm that it is bullish or not. We have to look forward to whether it breaches 35,300 this week or not. If it breaches 35,300, then you can expect it to continue with the bull run and expect it to head towards 36,020 levels. So 35,300 is something which we'll be looking forward to. If it remains below 35,300, you can remain short. My first target is definitely towards 33,800. So from 33,800 levels to 35,300 levels can be expected this week itself. If it drops first and then rises towards the end of the week, then you can expect that possibly we are going to look forward to a reversal from there. So because why I'm saying so, because these drops we have seen multiple times. This was the drop, this was the drop, this is the third consecutive drop in recent times, and we have always seen if it is a going concern, it will always bounce back from here. And that is why I say, in fact, if you see it dropping till towards 33,800, may it can go well below, then only you can confirm that it is going to head towards 33,000 and 32,000 levels in the month of December or not. Extreme statement, but these are markets, anything is possible. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts we can find that it has seen a higher high here, and if you see it, the pivot is right now exactly at around 34,600 levels, 34,700 levels. And now if you look forward to why I'm saying so, the monthly candle will trying to engulf this completely and will try to decide after this, after 33,800 only we will be able to decide, 33,700 we will be able to decide that it is going to break or not in the month of December, that where it is going to take. And probably the next two trading sessions we might see it taking a good drop. Probably we might be looking at 34,000, sub 34,000 levels, and that is why I will say that probable expectation for the week it is at around 33,800 to 700 zone. And from there if you see a bounce back and a rise past 35,300 will only be an indication that yes, the markets are reversing, and the month of December we are seeing again a greener candle which will take it towards higher highs, and that will be an indication that markets are still bullish. And if it breaks this zone at 33,000, definitely will be an indication markets are extremely bearish. We'll be looking forward to 32,000 and 31,000 levels in the month of December itself. So now let's we have seen why I am saying that we might see a 33,800 in next couple of days. We can expect that this monthly candle will extremely engulf it, complete this, and we can see expect that 33,800, 33,700 can be achieved. And from there the next month's candle will start, and it will decide that markets are trying to bounce back, are really bullish or not. And then any break below this will be a good indication that markets are really bearish, and we can expect a good drop from there. So considering this, now let me give you the levels directly. First let's have a look at the indicators before coming to the levels. And if you look at let me come to the daily charts. If you look at the levels on the daily charts, US30 trading below 2050 100 moving average is all exponential simple moving average, indicating that possibly the markets are entering into a bear zone if till the time it remains below this zone at 35,300, specifically the 100-day moving average. And once it surpasses this, it gives a little hope that yes, markets are again into a buy zone. Look at the DPO as again enter into sell zone, and look at the stochastic is comfortable. Probably it might enter into an oversold position, continue here, then we can only see a good rise, and that is why I say 33,800 can be expected this week. Also look at the MACD lines are extremely divergent and indicating that possibly we might see a good drop. Also RSI is now into oversold position, but we have seen RSI sustaining overbought positions for multiple times on US30, and this is the time, see it has hit a here bottom, and then the markets rose, and we have seen a reversal from there. Here it is seen a drop, then reversal. So but multiple overbought positions, and then we have seen this drop. So possibly all of this is cyclic. We have seen a overbought position here. Now it is trying to enter into oversold position, may sustain for a little long this time and then rise back, but markets may not see the high again what we have seen this time already. So I mean for near future, maybe for a couple or few weeks, and then it may try to retrace again towards higher highs. So this is on the daily charts. Considering this, let me give you the levels to trade and watch out for. Now if it breaks below 34,450 this week, you can remain short. This is the level to watch out for. If it breaks for 34,450, you can go short. You can expect it to hit towards 34,200, 34K and 33,750 levels. I will expect it to head till 33,750, 33,800 zone. Possibly it might try to achieve this within next couple of days itself. And if you see it rising past 34,800, if you see it rising past 34,800, you can initiate a little long position where 35,000 the first target and 35,300 the next target. any positional long is recommended only after 35,300. Any positional long is recommended only after 35,300, where you can remain long after 35,300. And my next target is directly towards 35,800 levels, the next resistance, and then 36,020. So possibility exists that it can reverse, and yes, a possibility, I have a strong feeling that possibly we might be looking at 33,750 to 800 zones sometime in next couple of days itself. From there it might try to bounce back towards 34,500, and then it can drop again. But yes, as the monthly candle is going to start in the next couple of days itself, so probably now then 33,700 will become the base for any short position in the month of December. If it drops below the 33,700 position, or if it achieves first, that is the question. If it does achieve, and in month of December if you see it breaking any time below that, you can remain short. You can expect it to drop heavily towards 32 and 31k. But till the time it remains this, first of all, what it achieves is very important. I think it is going to achieve 33,750 800 levels possibly this week itself. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much, friends. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis and videos. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week.